Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we will be back on the Lone Star Grillz offset. I'm gonna do some prime New York strip on the side grate above the firebox, and I'm also gonna make something I hadn't had in a while, something that I really like, good comfort food. I'm gonna do some smothered potatoes and onions with bacon on my griddle. I'm gonna use my black iron skillet. So y'all stick around, I'll show y'all what we're working with. So we'll just have a couple of New York strips, about 3/4, close to an inch thick, just about 3/4 of a pound each. But nice marbling, y'all. And we're gonna hit that with some Suckle Busters campfire steak seasoning. Y'all go check out sucklebusters.com. We're just gonna hit these with a little bit of this stuff here. Don't forget your end piece right there. Good enough. Alright. We'll set this out of the way. A few potatoes. You know, just peel them and chunk them up a little bit. Cut up some onion and some peppers. And a half a pack of bacon. I just chopped it like into fourths. So, anyway. Let me get the grill up to temp, so we'll be back. Let's get this bacon in our skillet here. Get it stirred around. I don't have it just real hot. It's coming up to temp though. We'll get this cook going. So I'm gonna put the lid on here, and we'll come back check on this in just a little bit. Got that bacon rendering down a little bit right there. I'm going to dump my onions in here. Let them get going. This grill is so much fun. Can I tell y'all, man, I'm loving this Lone Star Grillz. And Chris, thank you, brother, for sending out the grill, man. I really appreciate it. This thing is bad to the bone, brother. You have a great product. And guys, y'all go check out Chris Goodlander over at LoneStarGrills.com and check out some of those amazing products he has. This thing is just, it's bad to the bone, y'all. What can I say? All right, we're gonna let this go a little bit, and we'll come back and check on it. See how we're doing. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Looking good there, y'all. Give it a little stir out. Alright. A couple more minutes, we're gonna throw our taters in here, y'all. Get them taters in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning in here. And I need to throw some butter in there too, so we'll check back in a little bit. Let's see how we're doing. I actually moved the griddle and put it directly on the fire grate right there and get a little more heat on it. Oh yeah, man. Looking pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna stick her back on the griddle and let it finish off. And we'll come back and check on just a little bit. Let's see how we're looking, y'all. Oh yeah, that's done, cuz. And I did add some campfire steak seasoning to it. Alright, we're gonna pull this off. We're gonna set it over here on the grill right quick. Set it over here. Let it stay warm. Oh man, huh? Let me reset this and we're gonna get the steaks on there. We'll be back. And I pulled out the top rack, and that way we can close this down and let it stay warm. So, oh yeah, baby. Give these a couple minutes on each side, and we're gonna move them back over to the cool side and let them finish cooking. Smelling good, y'all. Got that fire going in the firebox. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Nice. About 4 minutes on that side. Oh yeah, baby. Nothing wrong with that. And it's not real hot. I got the grate on the highest slots it'll get in, so it's not like screaming hot on the steaks. Anyway, we'll give them a little bit on this side. See how the temp looks. 126. 120. We'll give them a few more minutes. Then we're gonna move them indirect. Oh yeah. Smelling good. We're gonna move these over to this side. Alright, we'll let this go a little bit, then we'll come back and check them. Okay, let's see where we at, y'all. Been a couple of 2-3 minutes. $33. The small one's a little hotter. 142. Yeah, we're gonna pull these off. Alright, I'll meet y'all inside and I'll get all this stuff off of here. Okay, everything's off, it's rested. First time doing steaks on the grill like this. I usually like mine a little bit hotter to sear them off, but you know, first time, just experimental. So let's cut this dude in the middle and see how we did. Hey, not bad, gang. Huh? Nice and medium. See how we did. I know that campfire steak seasoning is really good. Nice and juicy. Oh, look at there. Give the camera time to focus up for you. Alright. Y'all come up here. Cheers to you. Oh, that's good. Yes, indeed. That'll eat for sure. Alright, now we got to get a bite of the smoked potatoes and onions with the bacon, so, and the peppers. Alright, y'all. Still smoking, look at that. Bacon, taters. Cheers to you. Holy smokes. That is straight up comfort food right there, y'all. I could eat that all day. Alright, let me get dished up here. I'll get y'all some pics. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.